Hey everyone, need to print a document from Microsoft Word but aren't sure which settings to use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from opening the print menu to choosing the right printer and print options, so your document comes out exactly the way you want. So let's jump right in. To begin, open the document you want to print. Click the File tab in the top left corner, then select Print. You can also press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print screen instantly. Next, choose the printer you want to use. If multiple printers are connected, click the Printer drop-down menu and select the correct one. If your printer isn't listed, make sure it's powered on and connected to your computer or network. Now review the print settings. Choose how many copies you need, decide whether to print all pages or only specific pages, and select single-sided or double-sided printing if your printer supports it. You can also adjust paper size, orientation, and margins when needed. Before printing, take a moment to review the print preview. Scroll through each page to confirm that the layout, spacing, images, and page breaks look correct. If something doesn't look right, close the print menu, make your changes, and check the preview again. Once everything looks good, click the Print button. Word will send the document to your selected printer. If you're printing a large document, wait for the printing process to finish before closing Microsoft Word. And that's all there is to printing a Word document. By checking your printer, reviewing the settings, and using the print preview, you can avoid common printing mistakes and get great results every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.